Since John Kerry was inspired to come up with a variation of reassembling jokers and put it on YouTube, I was inspired in turn to demonstrate something I never put in print. And what it uses is 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12 red cards and what I call the apparitional jokers. Not aboriginal jokers, but apparitional jokers, and that'll make sense as we proceed. Now, following usual protocols for these kind of tricks, you start out showing the principal cards. That's 1 joker, that's 2 jokers, that's 3 jokers, and that's the 4th joker, and you put them into the standard T formation. And this one, this apparitional joker, is the leader. And then, according to the 16th century laws, you put 3 red cards on top of each apparitional joker. You do it as fairly as possible so they can see the faces and the backs of all the cards. Now, here's the challenge. The jokers, the apparitional jokers that are on the bottom of those packets, have to come over to the leader packet, one at a time, invisibly. And that's not easy. Just think about it. Here's the jokers. They're on the bottom. They're going to come over here. Now, if this one is on the bottom, you have to bring it to the top, and then you would tap the leader pile. If inadvertently you tap this pile, that would be a blunder, in which case the joker would be gone, but the joker would be over here. So these have to be red. And lo and behold, when you check the pile, you've got the original joker here, you got a red card, another red card, and here's the 2nd joker. Now you have 2 jokers that have to go. So look, don't tap here, tap here. And look, no jokers here, none. And believe it or not, over here, yes, it's true. It's true. Look. Now I have to actually show you. Count them. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. And then you have only 1 red card. We still have the leader pile to contend with. So if we come over here and lastly tap there, you'll notice that all of the jokers here have left, and obviously you have 1, 2, 3, 4 jokers here. Now, as I have said, these are apparitional jokers, because what if everything I've said so far is not true? And you have no jokers. You just have red cards. Now that would be, in a word, weird, if not stunning. And so we are left to consider the fact that maybe there weren't any jokers to begin with, that they indeed were apparitional, and we should leave it at that. Let that marinate in the imaginations of the viewer. But you know, magicians, they're not content to leave well enough alone. They're going to say, hey, you got to bring the jokers back. You got to do something. You got to backfire. Well, for them, I'll do that. And in doing that, I'm going to leave it at that. That's it.